Hey, what's up? May bago na naman tayong series at tatawagin natin tong series na to na Healing My Inner Child. Healing My Inner Child. Oh my. Sa series na to mag-unbox tayo ng kung ano-anong laruan, mapa-anime man yan, Marvel, Disney, wala tayong niche dito sa series na to. So, umpisa na natin to.
We are going to start this series with Hirono, created and designed by the Chinese artist Lang, and it was released by Pop Mart. They have a lot of different series, but what we have right now is Reshape. In this series, they have 9 different characters plus 1 secret. My target here is Fading and Parasite. I ordered 2 boxes from Pop Mart, so let's see. Somebody told me that if I want to trade with other people in the Pop Mart community that I should keep the boxes in good condition, so I should open them from underneath. Very nice. Unang box pa lang pero nakuha na natin yung gusto nating makuha.
We have here the stand. Oy. Shoo. Gata.
Ang kwento daw ng Hirono Reshape series ay tungkol sa pagbabago, kung paano tayo unti-unting nag-e-evolve nang hindi natin namamalayan. Bawat figure sa series na to ay unique yung disenyo at may malalim na meaning sa artist man o di kaya sa collector mismo. Katulad na lang dito kay Fading. Dahil sa translucent niyang katawan, parang unti-unti siyang nawawala. Parang isang memorya na malapit nang makalimutan. O di kaya parte ng sarili natin na unti-unting nawawala habang tayo ay patuloy na nagbabago. Alright, on to the next box.
Oh! Gold paint drowning. Stand ulit. Let's see. Ooh.
I really like this one. Yung details niya from the rusty paint bucket on its head, kasama na yung dripping paint. This one is a really cool figure. Dito naman kay Drowning, para sa akin ay sumisimbolo sa pakiramdam na para ka bang nalulunod. Nalulunod sa emosyon, takot at bigat ng buhay. Pero sa kabila ng paglubog, kahit gaano kagulo ang ating isipan, kaya pa rin nating gumawa ng paraan para makahinga ulit.